Right, I've taken a quick break from stripping out the bathroom because Dawn says she's got a big surprise. Wonder what it's going to be. Maybe a weekend away. What do you reckon, Lottie? Oh, here she comes.
Big surprise. I don't know if it's a big surprise that you'll like. I opened it to check that it was all
Right. Right, it's not a holiday. What is it?
it's a shelf.
Right. Why is the box so big?
There's 8 of them.
What?
So what I was thinking, because I couldn't find any pictures that I liked for that wall, is to put them on the wall, like one there, one there, one there, and so on, and then just get some plants all along there, because I thought it would be a match with wallpaper.
Right. But everything we got's gold. That's black.
That's okay. I sorted that out. Okay. Spray paint. So get spraying.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm going to go garden centre and do what I do best. Shopping.
Right. Okay, watch this space. Right, we've come outside to our professional spray booth. These are going to be sprayed gold. And on the tin, you need to shake for at least 1 minute to mix the paint. While I'm doing that, you can have a quick check, see how the old pond's getting on. Right, enough shaking, time to get spraying. Might have to send Dawn down the shop for about another 20 cans of paint. I'm going to have to flip these over, paint the backs as we go along. It's quite difficult. Right, 1 done, well, first coat. 7 more to go because it's getting a bit cloudy, and if it rains, it's going to ruin the whole lot and she ain't going to be very happy. This is only the first coat. So if there's any bits I've missed, I can pick them up once this has dried. Bit easier than roofing anyway. We're literally out of paint. Just run out of paint. Still got 1 to do, and the other side. And the shop shut. So that's a job for tomorrow. Right. It's the next day. We've got some new paint, or more paint I should say. Giving it the old shake up. So, the fronts are all sprayed up. Just got the backs to do. And obviously that one. The whole thing. It's going to rain in the morning, so let's get these sorted. Right, last one of these lot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then that one complete needs spraying all over. That's the last of them sprayed, just got to let them dry now. Hopefully it's not going to rain. Right, all our shelves are sprayed up. Done some quick, well, not so quick maths really. Works out just a tad under 46 centimetres each gap, so they're evenly spaced. Dawn wants them low, so it's going to be one low and then one high, something like that. So yeah, let's get the first one fixed. Yeah, we're going to set something like that for the first one. So time to start drilling. We always use these, which are, well, everyone calls them raw plugs, but that's a brand name. These are wall plugs. Just tap them in and away we go. Right, let's get this first one fixed on. Hopefully. Right, that is solid. Right, we've got the first one fixed. After a lot of miscalculations, we've worked it out. It's just under 25 centimetres between each one, and that'll give us an even spaced shelf, hopefully. And we're having high and low. So let's mark up the first one. Second one, I should say. What? Right, we haven't got a laser level, so I'm using one of these traditional. More calculations, because we're running it like this. 25.8, 21, 25.8, 72.6. I haven't just worked that out, I've done it on the calculator. So that's level, but we need to be, I've marked the wall already. About there. Come up a bit. Mark that wall there. Give Dawn that. Hopefully that's the next one. Right, let's get these holes drilled. Lovely. Same again, 2 raw plugs, one in there. Solid. We're going to run the bottom row and then the top row. So take out the top one, it's 72.6 between each bottom one. So I'll go like that. Dawn marks it up. Yep. Got it? Find my mark, wherever that is. There. I need to come up, 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 up. To there. Mark that up. Yep. That's our next one. I know you're supposed to use a pencil, but I can't find the sharpener and the lead broke, so we're using a Bic Biro. So, yep, that's all the bottom one's on. Now we've just got to come up, do the same again along the top, and we finish with a top one in that corner. Then we have to get some plants. Again, 72.6. Lovely jubbly. Our last 2 holes, thank goodness. The very last screw. Then we're going to have a cup of tea. Lovely job. And there you can see they're all in position. Just got to get some plants on there. Hopefully they look nice. Can you have some like hanging down ones? Paul knows all the technical names and everything. But look at when you, I don't know if you can see that. The dust marks down the wall which we need to clean off, and obviously all of this here. Hopefully we can hoover it off with the brush. Right, it's a few days later. Obviously you saw the shelves go up. Dawn's been really busy shopping for plants. So
Time for the big reveal.
check out how amazing this looks compared to a normal bare wall. She's somehow managed to get one hanging down one and then one not, and then another hanging down one, and they're all different plants. I think that looks wicked. Let us know what you think. Adds a bit of character to the room.
Yeah, I think it looks expensive.
Well, how much did it cost, Dawn?
The shelves I got on the sale for £3 instead of £8.50
Each, not for all of them.
each. Yeah, 2 cans of paint, £8 each, and then the various plant prices.
Oh, okay, so the plants were all different from different garden centres.
Yeah.
But yeah, each plant's not the same. But yeah.
That one I grew myself from plant cuttings.
Oh, wicked. So yeah, let us know what you think. Wonder what Lottie thinks about it.
Rough.
Do you like the plants, Lottie? Well, her tail's wagging, look. She likes it.
So, it doesn't matter how old you are, you should still have a birthday cake. And Colin can't have any other birthday cake apart from one that was named after him. So it's Colin the Caterpillar from Marks and Spencer's. So let's go and surprise him. Got to try and film this and not drop it. Okay, let's go. Happy birthday to you.
darling.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colin.
Not
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Make a wish.
You're still here.
Wait. cheeky. Happy birthday, babes.
Thanks, darling. And we want to thank all of yous lot for watching the videos so far and everyone that's subscribed.
And the lovely comments.
Yeah, especially all the people that have been making the amazing comments and everything. We really appreciate it. It's birthday weekend this weekend. So I've not actually had a chance to do anything YouTube-wise. But hopefully next week or maybe the middle of the week after, we'll have another episode from the bathroom. Just waiting for stuff to be delivered. So yeah, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up.
Cheers.